Down in the lower left-hand corner, we have a Start button. I'm just going to click on it and then go up to All Programs. When I click on All Programs, I see all of the programs that are loaded on this particular machine. Now, because this is a training computer, I have multiple copies of Microsoft Office. So mine are labeled with the versions. Yours will just say Microsoft Office. I'm going to come down to Microsoft Office 2007, and then it shows me all the Office programs loaded. Now, which programs you see are going to depend on which of the several versions you have, Standard, Professional, Ultima, and one or two others. All of them, however, have Microsoft Office Excel. So we're going to come up, and mine happens to be the second one on the list, and I'm going to click on it. Like all other Windows programs, the bar at the top is called our title bar. And it has the name of the program, Microsoft Excel, and the file. Mine says Book 1 because it's a new blank file. In Excel, the files are referred to workbooks, therefore Book 1. We have our Office button in the upper left-hand corner, and we'll discuss that further in a moment. Next to the Office button, we have what is called the Quick Access Toolbar, and we're going to customize that during this lesson. Next, we have the ribbon, which is this long band across the top of the screen, and it has tabs that contain different sets of icons, which are the commands for many of the things that we want to do. Each tab is divided into groups that are named at the bottom, such as I'm looking at font. Under the ribbon is the formula bar. This white box at the front is the names box, and it will tell me which cell is selected in the workbook. So at the moment I'm on A1. If I were to click on another cell, it now says G6. The long bar on the other side is the formula bar, which tells us the contents of the selected cell. And of course my workbook is still blank, so there's nothing in the formula bar. The main part of the screen is occupied by the selected worksheets. A new workbook opens with 3 worksheets, but you can add more as you need them. See down below I have Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. These are my worksheets. A worksheet is made up of columns and rows. The columns are referred to by the letter at the top, as you can see my A, B, C, etc. When we have more than 26 columns, the letters start again with AA, AB, AC, etc. up to column XFD. That means that you have 16,348 columns in a worksheet. Our rows are all numbered. And as you need them, Excel will keep adding more rows up to 1,048,576. So needless to say, it's hard to run out of space on a worksheet that you might need. A cell is where the column and the row cross, and a cell is referred to by the column letter and the row number. We call this the cell address. When you click on a cell, as I am on G6, it's selected. Its address is up here in the names box, and any typing you do will be entered in that particular cell. At the bottom of your worksheets is the status bar. This gives you many pieces of information which you will look at later on.